Hi, we are from Group 56. We are doing American Sign Language finger spelling project. This project implements an application that takes a video of a person showing the ASL alphabet sign as input and will try to predict the alphabet being displayed in the video. We have used some of the libraries and technologies like TensorFlow, Python 3.8, and some libraries like Keras, and we use PostNet algorithm. And from the Kaggle dataset, we have collected the data and we have done videos of every alphabet sign. In this project, we have used the following packages. We have imported the packages like NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Torch, etc. Coming to the training data, we have recorded the video, a 5 seconds video of each and every person in the project showing all the alphabets. You can see all the training videos here. And from these training videos, we will extract the frames of each and every video using the frame extractor method, which is in the main.py file. In the frame extractor.py file, we pass the video of every alphabet and then we'll extract the frames for every video. And all these frames are stored in a particular file named alphabet video frames. As you can see, these are all the files of each and every alphabet. All the extracted frames are then passed to PostNet to generate keypoints.json file, which are generated in the same folder where frames are extracted. Here we can see the keypoints.json file. This is the sample of keypoints.json file. So here in this, based on the right wrist left wrist coordinates from keypoints.json, we'll convert this .json file into .csv file. So in the .csv file, based on the right wrist and left wrist coordinates from keypoints.csv file, the frames extracted is being cropped to get only the hand part from the frames. For each of the frames, we'll get left wrist score, left wrist x coordinate, left wrist y coordinate, right wrist score, right wrist x coordinate, right wrist y coordinate. Based on the left wrist score and right wrist score, which is greater, we'll get the x and y coordinates of that hand for that frame. After this step, we'll now crop the image is now the cropped image is being fed to pre-trained CNN model, which is already trained using ASL data from Kaggle. So you can see the sample cropped images which are done using PostNet, and using these cropped images, we'll fed all these images to. Now we'll see the implementation of the code. So user is given two choices to extract and to predict the accuracy. The two options are one with alphabet prediction and one with words. So he can choose as his wish. After user is chosen a particular choice, so this is how it goes. It will first extract all the frames. After extraction, it will then convert all the extracted frames and it will crop the wrist part, as we said, using a PostNet algorithm. Since we have already done this, we'll show you the sample output, how it goes. So you can see the cropped folders of all the alphabets. So for each and alphabet, you can see there are many frames where particular which part is cropped, and this is the original one. This is converted to the cropped one. You can see here like this. Selected all the frames for videos and cropped images is being fed to trained CNN model. Now we'll go to the prediction of ASL alphabet. So here a user is given two choices, namely extract predict alphabet videos and extract predict words. Based on the user's choice, will run accordingly. Uh, so and the third option the user is given is predict and estimate the accuracy. So now we'll choose the third option. So and we are the user is again given two options, namely alphabets and word recognition models. So now we'll see the alphabet recognition model. Uh, Words we'll see later. So this is how the frames are extracted. As you can see, frames are extracting for each and every video. It will take some time as it will extract many frames for every video. So after the frames are extracted, we are given a true value and predicted value. So you can see here the true value is A and predicted value is P. So which is wrongly predicted. So this goes for the next alphabet, which is B. So the same process will happen. The frames are extracted first and will be given to true value and predicted value. Here you can see the true value is C and the predicted value is A. This is how it goes for each and every alphabet. So we have the screenshot of correctly predicting value. So now we'll see the correct prediction.